I just got this blue titanium iPhone 15 Pro after 5 months, and I was going to unbox it. Well, it is an unboxing, but someone didn't have the patience, and it teared down the seals. So I'm gonna go from here. C2C cable, instructions, and the opening pin. And the first boot. I don't know why I'm still using the iPhone 13 Pro. I didn't upgrade yet, but this looks a lot nicer, and it feels a bit lighter as well, but somehow it's smoother as well. I rounded corners. It's really nice. It's really nice. I like it, but for myself at the moment my 13 Pro does the job, so I'm gonna stick with my 13 Pro for a minute. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.